In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add or change a favicon on your Wix website. A favicon is that tiny icon you see in your browser tab next to your site title. It helps visitors spot your site at a glance and builds brand recognition. So let's get it set up the right way. Start by heading to wix.com and logging into your account. On your Wix homepage, click the website you want to work on. If you don't see it right away, select All Sites to find it. This takes you to the website's dashboard, which is your control center for everything we're about to do. On the left side of the dashboard, scroll down and click Settings, the one with the gear icon. Then choose Website Settings, which uses the archive box style icon. This is where Wix keeps the key options for your site's identity, including the favicon. Before you proceed, check your plan status. Favicons are a premium feature on Wix, so free sites will show the default Wix icon. If you're on a free plan, click Upgrade at the top, pick a premium plan that fits your needs, complete that process, and then come back here to continue. In Website Settings, scroll until you find the favicon section. Sometimes it's labeled Website Icon, favicon. Click Upload, Image or Upload Icon to open the Media Manager. Here, click Upload Media and choose the image from your computer. A square image works best, and Wix recommends at least 144 by 144 pixels. PNG or JPG is fine if you have a transparent background on a PNG. It often looks extra crisp. Aim for a clear, simple mark that's legible at tiny sizes. Once your file is uploaded, select it and click Choose File or Add to Page to attach it as your favicon. Now make sure your change is saved and goes live. At the top of the editor, click Save or Save Changes so Wix registers the new icon. Then click Publish in the top right. Publishing pushes the favicon to the live version of your site. To check it, open a new browser tab, type in your site's URL, and press Enter. Look at the browser tab. You should see your custom favicon next to the site title. If you don't see it right away, don't worry. Browsers cache favicons, and it can take anywhere from a few hours to a couple of days to update everywhere, including search results. A quick refresh or trying a private window can help you confirm it's set, but give it time to propagate fully. That's all for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.